What's going on? My name is Alex Becker, and you're on this page looking for online guitar lessons. Now I have a confession to make. I'm a pretty average guitarist. I've been playing for 3 years, pretty casually, so I wouldn't be the best coach online. Now with that being said, I've been a member of about every online guitar training site online. And before we even get into that really quickly, the best recommendation I can give you if you're a beginner or even an intermediate is get signed up for some form of online training. It's a lot easier than going to driving on the street and going to do it. And if you want to get better really quickly, you don't want to be learning from random free YouTube videos or any of the free sites because it's just not consolidated in the same awesome way. When I started my first online training, I actually jumped on with Guitar Tricks, and then I also got on with Jam Play as well. My skills improved drastically because you can actually just sit down and work in a progressive form with the same teacher over and over again. So what I've done for you below is I put together some video reviews of all the guitar training sites online so that you can go through, pick whatever one you want to. Now just a word of advice really quickly, if you're brand new, kind of hesitant jumping onto some online training, you can jump on the Guitar Tricks below for 100% free. Jam Play is also excellent. Those are just the two big ones that are going to get you the farthest, the easiest to hop on with. They're just the best. So hop in those below. Those are the best ones to go with. Guitar Tricks you can jump on for free right away, and Jam Play you can hop on for like 17 bucks a month. This stuff is a really good investment if you actually want to get better at guitar. Don't be going on YouTube and doing all that free stuff. So with all that being said, I got the quick down and dirty of the sites for you below, and then I actually have full video reviews so you can see what's in their sites, all their teachers, all that kind of stuff before you hop in. So with that being said, I'm going to go and awkwardly play guitar on white screen somewhere else, and I hope you have a fantastic day.
Here I just wanted to show you really the back-end dashboard of what you get with a free trial of Guitar Tricks. So directly below this video, if you click the button there, you can go and get yourself a free trial and really jump into this and learn about what they offer, and if you like the material and if you see yourself learning the guitar from this particular program. So I would recommend you do that. But here I'm just going to quickly jump in and show you the dashboard itself. So this is Guitar Tricks. You've got beginner lessons, experience lessons, some songs, and different styles. So if we just click on beginner lessons, and we get taken to the core learning system here. So you can start with guitar fundamentals level 2, and then you can move up into these other levels as well. So I'm not going to run through everything here, but just to give you a little behind the scenes look, if we click on start here, we're going to get an opening video from Lisa McCormick, and I'll just turn up the volume here.
Fundamentals 1. I'm Lisa McCormick for GuitarTricks.com.
So she's going to give an intro into the Learning Fundamentals video. So we can just click here, Start Course, and it gives a brief sort of overview of this particular course, and then you can begin the tutorial. And then you're going to get set up with the various videos in this tutorial. So the first one's going to be very introductory, and then you're going to move on to the next one.
In this lesson, let's take a look at some of the common models of guitar that you might want to choose from when you're learning to play.
Okay, so she's going to go over some of the common models of guitar. You might be a bit more advanced than that, but you can just click next, and then you'll jump into the next video of this very beginner series. So now we're on how to hold the acoustic guitar. You can watch that video, or you can move on, and so forth. So everything is lined up properly. It gives you ground up lessons, step-by-step video instruction on how to use and play the guitar. Now if you are a bit more advanced, you can go to a section, guitar styles, and maybe we'll just click on metal, and this will load up metal guitar lessons that are available. So we'll just begin with this first one from Ben, and again it's going to give you an overview. There's 12 pages within this lesson, difficulty of 3, so we'll just go ahead and begin the tutorial, and then I'll turn the volume down a little bit.
Hi, I'm Ben, and in this tutorial I will get you started with your metal lead playing.
Okay, so Ben's going to give you a metal lead lesson. So there are just tons and tons of video lessons learning how to play every style of guitar, whether it's fundamental lessons, moving up to metal, jazz, acoustic, and then you can go in and actually learn different songs as well. So there's a whole library of top hits, acoustic, blues, rock, and they're all video lessons where you can see someone giving you the video lesson, and you can see the chords they're playing. They're zoomed up on the chords, on the frets, and it's just an overall great program for learning. And I'll try and just quickly here load up, an example of someone teaching you step by step, actually using the different programs.
Play to get a little bit more sustain. Way too much gain, too mud. Okay, so that's the sound.
Okay, so he's done an introductory on the sound, and
And a nice vibrato. Listen and see.
okay, so now we've moved on to solo part 1. So he's actually going to do some blends and chords for this metal solo.
In the example solo, and we're gonna bend a whole step up to the B note here.
So right there, you can see we've got a zoomed in on the guitar frets. You've got to zoom in here on playing and strumming the chords, and then you've got him talking you and walking you through this process. So I just tried to jump ahead there with some of these videos. Sort of didn't prep this, just kind of doing it off the top of my head, but you can see that these video lessons are so good and so helpful, especially for those people that are just starting and just learning. However, there's advanced lessons as well, such as this one. So I'll just let this play on for you.
So like this, right? And B is one of the notes in E minor, so it's a chord tone. That's why it sounds pretty good. And I started with a little bend and then release and then bend again, just like this. Be a little more drama in there.
So there you have it. There are tons of material here that you can get started learning for free. So I would highly recommend that just below this video, start your free trial, see if you like the material, see if you can find yourself learning guitar through this program. In my opinion, the video lessons zoomed in on exactly how to play when you're interacting with someone, it's so much better than just following a little white ball on the screen, or playing a video game and just getting some high scores. If you really want to learn, I highly recommend Guitar Trick. So have a great day, and if you do use this, I hope you find it very useful.